Okay, how's it going, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Life Made Easy. And today, guys, I'm going to be showing you a quick and easy tutorial on how to make your NAT type open on your Xbox One. This works on Xbox One, Xbox One S, and Xbox One X. Now, there's a lot of tutorials out there that ramble on about going into your network settings and that. To me, that's a huge gamble, and I don't think people should be messing around with that stuff because it can actually do more harm than good in the long term, and it can mess up all your network settings. So I'm just going to show you the easiest way to open your NAT type if you're on, what is it called, restricted or something like that. Guys, best way is just to reset your Xbox. This is the #1 way to do it that I've found on changing it. So without further ado, I'm going to show you how to reset your Xbox really quickly on your Xbox One. Double tap the home button. Okay, I'm sorry about that, guys. You want to make your way over to the gear icon on the far right. Just scroll down and you just want to click Restart Console. Now, many of you are probably thinking, oh, I'll just turn my console off, hit the button. That doesn't actually reset it. It just puts into like a sleep mode. This is the best way to restart your console. Or you could hold down the button on your Xbox One until it turns off. But most people, they think just touching it once will restart it, but no, you can just go do this. It's really easy. Just click Restart Console and click Restart, and from there it's going to go black and your console should restart up all good. And from here you can go into your settings. Also, if you want to do one more thing, you can just disconnect from your wireless network and then just reconnect it. If you think that's going to help as well, it could, may not, I don't know. But this is the best way to do it. So after here, just go check your NAT type again in the settings and see if it changes to open, because there's a good chance it will actually do that after resetting it. Because resetting your Xbox is great for clearing cache and bugs and stuff like that. So it could be really beneficial to you. So guys, if you thought this was useful and you enjoyed, leave a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new to the channel, turn on notifications, do all that good stuff. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next upcoming video. Go check out my second gaming channel, Gaming Made Easy, and go check out my merch link down below. And yeah, see you guys in the next one. Peace out.